Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your MoneyLion app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on personal information. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here into your phone number. You click here on edit. So then here add your phone number in this list. So then here you click on send verification code. Then it's going to send with you here to add it, to change or add your phone number. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.